Yo, okay, I'm here to show you if your iPhone home button right here, it's broken, and if you don't want to like take it out and screw around with your phone, there's another way you have to do it. You have your phone, you unlock it. So let me type in the code. So if you go into an app, like any kind of app, this works for any app. Okay, if it's stuck on this app, you can't get out because your home button is broken. All you need to do is lock it, then unlock it. So the last part we were on was the text messaging app. Then go to emergency call, then go back, go to home, press your code. Then you'll be right back at the home screen if you see it right there. So yeah, it is pretty cool because you don't need to pay money at all. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.